Hello everyone, 4.9 here, and this is my Fujitsu Halcyon mini split air conditioner, and this is the outdoor unit of this air conditioner, which is running right now. We got the condenser, Fujitsu logo, Halcyon logo, and then the energy guide thing. Let's feel the condenser. Wow, that condenser fan is so powerful. You know that I have my AC set to powerful and it's set to cool on 70 degrees. This outdoor unit is running right now. Let's show you the indoor unit. Okay, this is the indoor unit of this air conditioner. This is set to cool at 70 degrees. Powerful mode turned off, so I put it back on powerful mode. And this is the indoor unit of this air conditioner. Let's fuel the fan. It's called the evaporator, actually. Let's fuel it. Whoa! That evaporator fan is so powerful. It's on cool, 70 degrees. And the fan is on auto, which means automatic. And that is it for this video. Peace!